Amsterdam, a city of canals, bikes, tulips, and millions of visitors every year. But beyond the postcard streets and crowded bridges lies a side of Amsterdam that most tourists never see. A side cherished by locals, deeply personal, quietly beautiful, and wildly unexpected. Today, we're going beyond the canal ring, past the museums and into the hidden corners that even many visitors overlook. Welcome to Amsterdam's hidden side. 7 places tourists never see, locals only. By the end of this video, you won't just know where these places are, you'll understand why Amsterdam feels so different when you step off the beaten path. Let's go. 1. Amsterdam Noord. Industrial art, hidden cafes, and urban beaches. Amsterdam Noord sits just across the River from Centraal Station, easily reached on a free ferry that locals take without thinking twice. Skip the crowds in the historic center, because Noord feels like an entirely different city. What makes this area special isn't the monuments, it's the atmosphere. Former shipyards have become canvases for enormous murals. Old warehouses now house art studios, local breweries, and quirky cafes hidden in shipping containers. Imagine an urban beach where movies screen on warm summer nights, craft beer flows freely, and cyclists pedal home as the sun sets over the water. Locals come here to slow down, savor the slow-rolling vibe, and discover creativity in unexpected corners. If you want to feel the authentic heartbeat of Amsterdam's evolving culture, this is where to start. 2. Doppermarkt, a local market with real Dutch flavor. You'll find Doppermarkt tucked away in Amsterdam East, a bustling market that isn't on most tourist maps. Here, locals shop for fresh produce, flowers, puffertjes, mini Dutch pancakes, and traditional snacks sold from colorful stalls. Unlike the overly polished markets near Dam Square, Doppermarkt is real life in motion. Dutch families, students, and shopkeepers mingle amid the chatter and smell of fresh bread. It's a sensory overload and a place where you feel the city rather than just see it. 5. Amsterdam micro-museums and curiosities. Away from the big museum boulevard lie tiny cultural gems that most tourists never hear about. Museums devoted to the unexpected. One such place is the world's only fluorescent art museum, a basement gallery where rocks, art, and installations glow like electric dreams under black light. It's surreal, it's playful, and it's wildly local, because no guidebook pushes this spot to visitors. Then there's the Cat Cabinet, a quirky canal house museum dedicated entirely to cat-inspired art and objects, often with resident cats lounging between exhibits, an oddball delight that locals adore. These aren't places you stumble on by accident, but they reward you with experience far beyond the postcards. They make you laugh, think, and wonder how you never heard of them before. 6. De Holland and the real local scene of Oud West. Skip Leidseplein and step into Oud West, a neighborhood that locals call home. At its heart is De Holland, a converted tram depot turned cultural hub that mixes an indie cinema, artisan studios, boutiques, and one of the best indoor food halls in the city. Here, you won't find mass-produced souvenirs or noisy tour groups. Instead, you'll find small-batch chocolates, local brews, rooftop views, and coffee spots where residents linger for hours over flat whites and pastries. De Holland isn't a secret on its own, but what surrounds it, the leafy streets, boutique bookshops, and neighborhood bakeries, that's the real treasure. Wander just a few blocks from the main entrance, and you're in true Amsterdam life. Nieuw West's hidden green and cultural mix. While many travelers stick to the city center or the posh Western Canal Belt, few venture to Nieuw West, a vibrant district overflowing with culture,
green spaces and a mixture of global influences. Here you'll find Sloterplas, a large lake surrounded by walking paths, picnic spots, and lakeside cafes. Nearby, food joints celebrate Turkish, Indonesian, Surinamese, and Moroccan flavors, all side by side. Street art dots neighborhood blocks, and locals spill out into terraces when the sun peeks out. This isn't the Amsterdam shown in travel ads. It's the city as lived by real people from all over the world in all seasons. And if you're deep in exploration, you'll discover gems that aren't even on this list. Silent alleyways with remarkable gable stones, canals untouched by tour boats, and former dike roads that predate the city's famous concentric canals. Places like Zeedijk, once sailors' quarter and now Amsterdam's Chinatown, reveal centuries of layered history. Every corner of this city whispers stories if you're willing to walk off the well-worn route and listen. Amsterdam's beauty isn't just in the bridges or museums, it's in the everyday moments that rarely make it into guidebooks. The markets where locals haggle over fresh produce, the hidden courtyards that breathe centuries of peace, the secret museums that delight with eccentric charm. So if you find yourself back in Amsterdam, step beyond the crowd. Leave your itinerary behind for a few hours. Take a tram, cross a river, explore a quiet street that doesn't promise a selfie, and you'll find a city richer, stranger, and more alive than you ever imagined. Because the hidden side of Amsterdam isn't hidden, it's just waiting to be noticed. If you enjoyed this journey off the beaten path, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which secret place you want us to explore next. And remember, the best travel stories are the ones you find between the lines.